All right, XRP Army, this is literally the last chance before we could see another nosedive. We've got to hold this crucial line of support. We're going to talk about it in this video, guys. Break down everything you need to know from a price standpoint. And this market continues to be super, super rocky. A lot of people calling for Bitcoin to come back down even a little bit under 80K. Well, it's happening right now. We're at 79,000. Some people say 77, 76 could be the bottom. The moral of the story is nobody has a crystal ball. But right now, we've got recession fears. We've got peak fear in the markets. And when peak fear comes, there's a couple different things we could do. We could run for the hills, or we could take a look at this fear and greed index and see 17. We are sitting here in, very, very rough times. We have not been down here for a very long time. We hit down here one other time back in late February. We did bounce off it relatively, positively, but then we were right back down here at this mark. We have not been in this zone since January of 2024. When we take a look at the fear and greed index, you can see that now as I scroll up here. But when we look at XRP, we are literally trying to hold the line here, a line that's been held since December 1st, 2024. We have not been down below $2. I should say we haven't closed below $2 since December 1st, 2024. Here, we dipped down below to 199, ended up closing at 213 back in late February. Same thing here, flash crash in early February, dipped all the way down to 176. This was crazy market manipulation, though. Ended up closing the day up at 256, which was nuts. And here we are back down here again, sitting here at 208. And I say it's the last chance that's happening right now. It's the last chance because this right here, if we don't hold this line like we did again back in late December, the likelihood of XRP tumbling down to potentially $1 is very, very likely. That's our next kind of level that we're looking at. We have been able to hold this $2 line for a very long time, and we're currently doing so at 208. But I want to give you guys some perspective here. And this chart here by this particular trader, Rose Premium Signals, breaks some things down. By the way, guys, smash the like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already. We're here every single day, rocking with you. Good market, bad market, doesn't matter. We're giving it to you guys straight, giving you guys the information you need to see and you need to hear. And that's what we do. We're not going to, feed you some craziness. We never said XRP is going to $1,000, nor did we say it's going to zero. Realistic expectations. And for me, XRP is a long-term play. It always has been designed that way, especially in these last 4 years. We've been, in this lawsuit. It's finally kind of all coming together for Ripple. We've done an amazing run up from 55 cents, 50 cents, all the way up to over $3. We're back down right now, but we're still consolidating between $2 and $3. At the end of the day, that is where we are right now. Ripple has formed a descending channel pattern on the daily time frame, which is the chart we were just looking at. And we're consolidating anywhere from 2 to 3. And if we stay within this zone, we're okay. We don't have a lot of continuation to the downside. Now, if we do break that $2 mark and we close below $2, that is where I think things can get a little bit rocky here, and we could actually drop pretty significantly from there. So the key is to continue to hold this line right now. I'd like to see us close back up above 212 today. As we look at some of these levels, a bounce from current support at 212 could drive price targets a little bit higher, back up to 232, 261, 290, and eventually 335. But at the end of the day, if we're staying above the $2 mark and we're even chopping, let's say in that 210 to 230 range, I'd be okay with how rough things are right now, with the sentiment the way it is and how brutal the overall kind of market conditions are right now. This would be a major win for Ripple right now in XRP. So again, I mentioned the fear and greed index down here at 17. Am I looking at XRP as a potential, opportunity here? It kind of depends on where you are positioned wise. I was stacking chips way back here when we were consolidating at 50 cents for the longest time. So I've traded XRP a few times. My long-term position is still really solid under $1. I'm kind of holding the line right now, but it depends on where you got in. It depends on your conviction, where you got in. Are you still looking to DCA your way down in price? It all depends. Everybody's in a different spot. But if, let's say my average cost is around this level or a little higher, slowly but surely, dollar cost averaging here probably wouldn't be the worst move. Would I open up a long or a short right now? Not necessarily, unless I'm very, very confident that we're going to hold this $2 line. Some people may say, hey, I'm pretty confident we're going to be heading down from here even further. That's the cool thing about, betting on the options market. I do it a little bit. I don't over leverage myself there. Some people are way better at it than I am. I've got a couple platforms down below if you guys are interested in that. We got BidFi down there and BTCC, two great platforms for you to check out if you're interested in trading XRP. But for right now, I'm holding my position. I don't have any longs open or shorts. I'm just kind of waiting to see if we hold this line. If we still can hold this line and start to get a bounce, I might open up a small long position if we can stay above this $2 level. But right now, things are a little shaky, and I want to see, because we're right here on this tight window, sitting here at 207, to kind of see if we can hold from here. So that's kind of where we are from a price standpoint, guys. It is the last chance, really, for us to hold this line. Otherwise, we could be seeing some downside risk. Now, again, that's short term. Obviously, I'm extremely bullish long term on XRP still, but that's just the facts. That's just where we are right now. And again, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, because I'm going to give it to you guys real, give you guys the facts, the information you need to know and see right here every single day. So appreciate you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.